Welcome back to Beladtech Academy, guys. So today I want to show you how to enroll for the free Udemy courses we'll be giving on the platform. So you need to know how to actually enroll. So when you are registering on Udemy, because Beladtech Academy has a partnership with Udemy, of course. So when you are registering on Udemy as a scholar, what you need to do is to register with your actual name. Don't use a nickname, don't use a sobriquet, use your actual name. So when you sign up, you can sign up with your Gmail, but ensure you're using your actual name. So this is me trying to sign up because I don't have an account yet. So once I sign up, you get all these details, but always make sure your name are valid. Like mine is Beloved Adeji, as you could see from here. So it is correct. So make sure your name is this correct. Now I want to enroll through the link that will be given to me on my scholar dashboard or my community. So I could use the link right. All I have to do is click on the link. When I click on the link, since I'm logged in already, it brings me to the course, and this is the course right here. So the course is meant to be a paid course, but because I got it through Beladtech Academy, instead of me paying 10,900, I'll be enrolling for free, and all I have to do is to enroll now. So you could see, so I could enroll within this period. So I could click on enroll now right now, and it's going to check me out. So I'm going to have a checkout right here, and yeah, it is good news, no payment needed. So I have the course free instead of 10,009, discounts 100% off, total one course. So I'm going to enroll right now, and this enrolls me to the course. Now after having the course, I now need to go through the course. I could start right away. So when I start right away, it takes me to the course right away. But let's say you came back to Udemy, how do you locate your course right now? So here is Udemy homepage. If I were to locate the course I just enrolled into, all I have to do is to come to my learning. When I come to my learning, I'm going to see all the course I enrolled for. Once I see all the course I enrolled for, all I have to do is to click on it and start my lessons one by one. So that is me trying to go through my lessons. So when you see the interface is very friendly. You have a lot of things you could do from here. So you could play your content from here, and you start playing whatever you have for the week right there, and you see your content layout. This has a more adaptive learning interface, so you could go through your content till the very end, and you're going to get a certificate at the end of each course that you actually take on Udemy. So that is one advantage of the partnership with Udemy. So you could go through your courses. You could see this is a 9.5 hours course, and right now you have your whole interface, you have your overview, you have your question and answer. You could come ask your questions right here. You could come like take a note of what you're doing, and you could do all these things right here. So all you have to do is to go through your course and go through it till the very end of it. So when you get to the very end of it, of course you're going to get a certificate at the very end. So this is how you show your proof of learning. So at the very end, it's expected of you by the end of the week you post your certificate on the platform to show that you completed your course for the week. So that is how to go about enrolling on Udemy. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now. If you've not subscribed to the channel just yet, do remember to subscribe. Hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.